Hi, my name is Kate from Mississauga Toyota. In this video, I will walk you through how to reset the maintenance reminder. First thing you'll need to do is on your steering wheel, you'll find 4 arrows. You will need to click on the right arrow until you reach the settings menu on your dashboard. Once you made it to the settings icon, you will toggle down to vehicle settings, then push and hold OK. Now you'll need to move down to schedule maintenance and press OK. Here it will ask you to reset your data and you'll just click yes. Now the reset is complete. Make sure you go back to your main screen by clicking the back arrow. And that's it. Simple and easy way to reset your service maintenance reminder. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via phone 905-625-3420 or email bdc@mississaugatoyota.com. Be sure to check out our other videos. Bye for now.